This time, we will be discussing about static electricity, particularly about charging by contact. But before that, I want to remind everyone that charge cannot be created or destroyed, but can be transferred between objects. This time, I will be showcasing to you how a charge being transferred to one object from another object through contact. We have here a balloon, which is considered as a neutral object. Now we also have here a cloud, which is considered as a charged object. Now in charging by contact, when a neutral object is touched by a charged object, some of the charge transfers to the neutral object, and the neutral object becomes charged. And as you can see, the neutral object, which is considered this balloon, have now more numbers of electrons, and it then became a charged object. And that's how charging by contact works.